Hi there, it's Tim. I'm here with Isaac, and we've been shooting for his portfolio, a new model here in Victoria at Coltish. And so this is the first shoot. How did it go?
I think it went really well.
He was great.
Yeah.
We started off in the studio. We're outside now by the beach. We were downtown for a bit. He did really, really well. I mean, for a first timer in particular, it went really well. I'm going to show you a few shots that we took, and make sure you follow Isaac on Instagram at
Isaac_Nelson.
I'm going to put that right down below. Make sure you give him a follow, take a look at some of the shots we got, and yeah, thanks for shooting with me.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers!